The souvenir.
Go stand next to
Oh, we got a dirt on the shoulder.
Now it's going to poop on your head.
She got a dirt from the box.
I don't know about her. Hello, Angel. You're pretty. Get a snippet out, would you? You're going to be famous tonight.
You get it? You
I'm
doing a selfie?
I wanted you to do it. I'm going to put a picture of you on Facebook tonight. How about that? You gonna like that? Yeah, you're pretty. You're pretty. Is this a girl? Pretty girl. Yeah. It's all nice and calm.